Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's podcast, we are going to discuss an important support role in the food service industry, the kitchen helper. A kitchen helper supports cooks, chefs, and other kitchen staff with food preparation, cleaning, ingredient handling, dishwashing, and general kitchen activities. But what exactly does a kitchen helper do? What are the roles and responsibilities? What are the daily duties? And what skills and qualities are required? Let's understand everything in simple language. First, let's understand what is a kitchen helper. A kitchen helper is a kitchen support worker who assists chefs, cooks, and kitchen staff with daily food preparation and kitchen operations. In simple words, a kitchen helper helps keep the kitchen clean, organized, supplied, and ready for food preparation service. The exact duties depend on the restaurant, hotel, canteen, catering company, or other food service workplace. Now let's talk about the roles and responsibilities of a kitchen helper. One of the main responsibilities is assisting with food preparation. The kitchen helper may wash, peel, cut, sort, or prepare ingredients according to instructions from the chef or cook. Another important responsibility is cleaning kitchen equipment and work areas. They help keep counters, cooking areas, utensils, and other kitchen spaces clean according to workplace hygiene procedures. Another major duty is washing dishes and utensils. They may clean plates, glasses, cooking utensils, pots, pans, and other kitchen items. Another important responsibility is handling kitchen ingredients. They may receive, move, organize, and store food ingredients and supplies according to instructions. Another duty is supporting chefs and cooks. They provide ingredients, utensils, equipment, and other items needed during food preparation service. Another important responsibility is maintaining kitchen cleanliness. They may clean floors, work surfaces, storage areas, sinks, and other assigned areas. Another duty is disposing of waste properly. They help separate and dispose of food waste and other kitchen waste according to workplace procedures. Another important responsibility is checking kitchen supplies. They may inform the cook, chef, or supervisor when ingredients, cleaning materials, utensils, or other supplies are running low. Another duty is supporting food service. Depending on the workplace, they may help with plating, serving arrangements, packing food, or moving prepared food to the service area. Another important responsibility is following food hygiene and safety practices. They need to follow workplace instructions regarding cleanliness, food handling, personal hygiene, and kitchen safety. Now, let's discuss the daily work of a kitchen helper. A typical day may begin by cleaning and preparing the kitchen before food preparation starts. The kitchen helper may wash and prepare ingredients, arrange utensils, support cooks, and keep work areas organized. During meal preparation and service, they may provide ingredients, wash utensils, clean work areas, assist with food packing or serving, and handle other assigned tasks. After food service, they may clean equipment, wash dishes, remove waste, organize supplies, and prepare the kitchen for the next shift. The exact routine depends on the workplace and shift. Now let's talk about the skills required to become a kitchen helper. The first important skill is basic food preparation knowledge. A kitchen helper should understand basic tasks such as washing, peeling, cutting, sorting, and handling ingredients safely. The second important skill is cleaning and hygiene. Maintaining a clean kitchen is an important part of the job. Another important skill is following instructions. Kitchen helpers work under chefs, cooks, or supervisors and need to follow instructions accurately. Time management is also useful because kitchen work can become very busy during meal service hours. Another important skill is teamwork. Kitchen operations require close coordination between chefs, cooks, helpers, servers, and other staff. Physical stamina is also important because the job may involve standing for long periods, moving supplies, cleaning, and performing repetitive tasks. Another useful skill is basic organization. Keeping ingredients, utensils, and work areas organized helps the kitchen operate efficiently. Now, let's discuss the qualities of a good kitchen helper. A good kitchen helper should be hardworking, punctual, disciplined, clean, responsible, cooperative, attentive, and willing to learn. Another important quality is patience because kitchen work can be physically demanding and fast-paced. Team spirit is also important because kitchen helpers work closely with other kitchen staff. Another quality is cleanliness. Personal hygiene and workplace cleanliness are essential in food service environments. Alertness is also important when working around hot equipment, sharp tools, slippery floors, and other kitchen hazards. Another important quality is reliability. Chefs and cooks need dependable support during busy service periods. Now let's talk about qualification and eligibility. Requirements vary depending on the employer. Many kitchen helper positions have basic educational requirements or may not require formal qualifications, depending on the workplace. Previous experience in a restaurant, hotel, canteen, catering service, or food service environment can be an advantage. Basic knowledge of food hygiene and willingness to learn can also be useful. Freshers can often find entry-level kitchen helper opportunities. Now, let's look at some common workplaces for kitchen helpers. They can work in restaurants, hotels, cafeterias, canteens, hospitals, schools, catering companies, hostels, cloud kitchens, food courts, and other food service establishments. Now let's discuss the career path of a kitchen helper. With experience and training, a kitchen helper may progress into positions such as kitchen assistant, commis, cook, senior kitchen helper, or other kitchen and food service roles, depending on their skills and qualifications. Developing skills in food preparation, cooking, hygiene, kitchen operations, and food safety can support career growth. Before applying for a kitchen helper position, always check the specific job description. Pay attention to the working hours, shift requirements, physical duties, food handling responsibilities, hygiene requirements, workplace location, and other job conditions. Let's quickly summarize today's topic. A kitchen helper supports kitchen operations through food preparation, cleaning, dishwashing, ingredient handling, waste disposal, supply support, and assistance to chefs and cooks. Important skills include basic food preparation, cleaning, hygiene, following instructions, teamwork, time management, organization, and physical stamina. Important qualities include hard work, punctuality, discipline, cleanliness, responsibility, cooperation, alertness, reliability, and willingness to learn. For people interested in restaurants, hotels, catering, food service, and kitchen operations, a kitchen helper role could be a good starting point for a career in the hospitality industry. That's all for today's podcast. I hope this explanation helped you understand the kitchen helper job description, roles, responsibilities, duties, skills, and qualities. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.